Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to configure and use the MainWP plugin. Without wasting any time, let's roll out the intro and get into the video. This video is available in multiple languages. Go to YouTube video settings and open audio track option and choose your desired audio track. If you don't know how to install the MainWP plugin and connect to WordPress sites, please check our MainWP plugin installation process video. You can find this video link in the description. As the first step, log into a cPanel account. Now go to the WordPress Manager by Software Tools option. Here, log into the main domain that was with the MainWP Dashboard. Here, on the left side, you can see the option named MainWP. Click and open it. First, let's explore MainWP plugin dashboard and its tools. In the dashboard, you can see all the details of your child sites. On the top, you can see the updates overview section. Here, you can update everything at the same time for your child sites. Or else you can update it by one like WordPress core updates, theme updates and plugin updates for each of your child sites. On the same section, if you scroll down, you can see the two options named abandoned plugins and abandoned themes. Abandoned themes and plugins are nothing but unsupported outdated tools that present significantly in security and performance risks. On the left side, you can see the client section. Here you can see all of your clients details. On the site changes section, you can see the most recent changes made to your child sites. In the connected sites section, you can see your connected sites. On this section, if you click your child site name, it will be automatically navigated to WP main dashboard. On the recent pages section, you can see the most recent pages from all your child sites. On the site hardening section, you can identify and strengthen the weakened spots to boost your site's hardening. If you click the three dots and click on the see details, you can see your site's details. Details like PHP version, WordPress version, debug mode, outdated plugins, inactive themes and outdated themes. You can check the issue of your website here and fix it. Now let's see how to use the sites option in the MainWP plugin. On the same dashboard left side, you can see the option named sites. Click and open it. Here you can see all of your child sites. If you want to log into a WordPress dashboard of your child site, click the child site name. If you click the three dots on the right side, you can see the drop down menu. Here click on the overview option to open your child site's overview. Here you can see the update overview section. But this one is for the particular child site. If you scroll down, you can see themes and plugins section. Here you can enable and disable the themes and deactivate and activate the plugins. And if you scroll down, you can see the site changes section for this particular child site. And on the right side, you can see the client info section. Here you can see your client information of the particular site. If you scroll down, you can see the site info section. Here you can see your site's server level information. And finally on the right side, you can see the sections like recent pages and recent posts. But this one is for the particular child site. On the right side, if you click on the settings option, it will open the general settings of your child site. Since you are new into this, please don't change any important settings. You can see the options like administrative username, site title, unique security ID, upload site icon, select icon. The selected icons will only show in the WP main dashboard. If you want to add the tags to your website, you can add it here. Tags are like the unique identifier to separate the websites. You can use it for your friends. If you want, you can also add new client to your child site. The next option will be require backup before update. Use the global setting for this. Enable the option suspend site if you want to suspend the particular child site, or else you can disable it. Click and enable the option auto update WP core. Once it is enabled, the WordPress will be automatically updated for the particular child site. Leave the remaining options like ignore core updates, ignore plugin updates, ignore theme updates in the disable mode. Uptime monitoring optional field. Enter a mail ID if you want to receive uptime monitoring notifications. In the advanced settings, leave the settings as it is. Don't change anything here. These advanced settings are related to SSL, so please don't change anything. If you scroll down to the last, you can find the email settings. Here you can enable the emails for daily digest email, extension license, deactivation notification email, site health monitoring email, uptime monitoring email. If you want to enable the emails, click the manage option on the right side. Now click on the enable button and scroll down, click on the save settings. Last setting is backup API provider settings. Let me explain it while configuring the backups for the child sites. Click on the save settings button once you're done configuring the settings. On the left side, click on the update settings. Here you can manage your available updates for the child site. Here you can update the plugins, themes and the WordPress core. Here the screen is empty for me because I have updated everything. On the left side, click on the site hardening option. Here you can see your site's health for all the things. It is same as we saw in the dashboard overview. Now let's see how to add and manage site, plugin, themes, tags and users. On the left side site section, click on the add new option. Here you can add your child site after testing a connection. Before that, enable the button verify that MainWP child plugin is installed and activated. On the test connection field, enter your site's URL and click the test connection button. Once the connection is successful, please fill the required details in the required columns like admin name, admin password, unique security ID if you have enabled it. For filling the details here, install the MainWP child plugin in your child site. Once you fill the required details, please scroll down and click the Add Site button. After clicking it, wait for a few minutes. Your site will be get added in the WP Main Dashboard. On the left side site section, click on the Import Sites button. Here you can import the multiple sites at the same time. For that, download the sample CSV file. Fill the details as per the CSV format. Once done, upload the file here and click on the Import Sites button. Wait for a few minutes. Your child sites will get connected to the WP Main Dashboard. Now click on the site changes option. Here you can see every changes that was made to your child site. Now on the left side, click on the tags option. In case if you are managing a large number of WordPress sites, it would be more useful for you to mark them with different tags. You can use it to group the websites based on the fields. Add the new tag. Click on the new tag option on the right side. Enter the tag name and click on the create tag button. Once all your tag has been created, you can assign it to any one of the websites. On the left side, if you click on the updates button, it will show you if you have any updates for the plugins and themes. Left side you can see the options like plugins and themes. Click on the plugins button. Here you can manage your plugins and install new plugins and enable auto updates for the plugins. On the same left side you can see the themes option. Here you can manage your themes, install new themes and enable the auto updates for the themes. On the left side click on the users option. On the right side choose your child website and click on the show users button. Now it will show the admin users for the particular child site. Now on the left side, click on the add new option. Here you can fill the required details and add the new user for the child site. After entering the details here, select the child site on the right side and click on the add new user. Now the user will be added. Now go to the import users option on the left side. Here you can download the sample CSV and upload the users with the same format to add the users. In the next option will be admin passwords. Click and open it. Here on the right side, click on the child site. On the right side, click on the generate new password button. It will generate a new password for you. And click the update password button. It will update the new password. Now on the right side, you can see the options like posts and pages. Click on the posts option and open it. On the right side, select your child site. And scroll down and click on the show posts button. Now you can see all the posts in the child site. Now on the left side, click on the add new button. Here you can update your content and post the post for the child site. For example, I am posting a test post. Fill the required details and click on the publish button. Now you can see that your post has been published. Now you can see that the test post we have added has been shown in the list. Now on the left side, click on the pages button. Same like before, select your child site and scroll down and click on the show posts button. Now you can see all your pages in the child site. Click on the add new button on the left side. Fill the details for the page and scroll down, click on the publish button. Now you can see that your page has been published. Now you can see that the page has been listed along with the other pages. In this video, we have covered every settings except the backup options. We have posted a separate video for the backup configuration process in the WP Main Dashboard. Please check it out. I have added the link in the description. If you find this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the instant update about the videos, please press the bell icon.